Welcome to our comparison of the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer. In today's video, we will delve into the specifications, advantages, and drawbacks of these two compact appliances designed for smaller living spaces. Whether you're in an apartment, RV, or dormitory, finding the right laundry solution is essential. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, making it a more significant investment. In contrast, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is much more affordable at just $59. This stark difference in price reflects the varying functionalities and capacities of each product. If you're on a tight budget, the Aptovpvp offers a cost-effective solution for drying clothes. In terms of capacity, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine has a load capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which is suitable for small laundry loads. However, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer has a significantly smaller capacity and is designed primarily for small items like socks and underwear. This difference is crucial for users who need to consider the volume of laundry they typically handle. Functionality is another key area of comparison. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers 5 wash cycles and features like an LED display and auto unbalance detection, making it a versatile option for washing clothes. On the other hand, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is designed for drying clothes with 2 drying modes and a timer, but it may not be powerful enough for larger items. Understanding these functionalities will help you choose the right appliance for your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer offer unique advantages for those living in smaller spaces. The Comfee is a solid choice for washing, while the Aptovpvp provides an affordable drying solution. Depending on your laundry volume and budget, you can make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.